Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing awesome. So, as we are solving the top 50 questions of SQL on a LeetCode, so yeah, welcome back. So, as you can see on the screen, I hope my screen is visible. So, till now we have solved 41 questions and we are only left with the 9 questions. Okay, so uh-huh. So today we'll start with the investments in 2016. Okay, am I audible as well, right? Sure. So here is the question. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, 100% is enough, I guess. Okay, so we have investments in 2016 where we have insurance schema and we have given these columns PID, TIV, LAT, loan. Huh? What are these columns? I don't know. Okay, PID is the primary key. Each row of this table contains information about one policy where PID is the policy holder's policy ID. Okay, TIV 2015 is the total investment value in 2015, and same goes for TIV 2016, which means your total investment values in the year of 2016. Okay, lat is the latitude. Okay, policyholder city, it's guaranteed that lat is not null, and lon is the longitude of the policyholder city and it's guaranteed that lon is not null. Okay, so far so good. Write a solution to report the sum of all total investment values in year 2016, which is your total investment TIB in 2016 for all policy holders who have the same total investment in 2015 value as one or more other policy holders, and are not located in the same city as any placeholder, that is your let loan attribute. Pairs must be unique. Literally I didn't get anything from this line. मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आया इससे, क्या इन्होंने लिखा, क्यों लिखा. एक बार फिर से पढ़ लेते हैं. Okay, write a solution to report the sum of total investment in the year 2016 for all policyholders who have the same total investment in 2015 values as one or more other policyholders and not located in the same city. These attribute pairs must be unique. Round TI 2016 to 2 decimal places and result format is in the following example. Okay, let's understand a better with the help of example because थोड़ा बहुत ही समझ आ रहा है, डिस्क्रिप्शन से ज़्यादा तो नहीं आया, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव PID, वी हैव total investment in 2015 and we have total investment in 2016, then lat, loan, and okay, so 1, 10, 5, 10, 10. Okay, doesn't, how we are getting the output 45. Let me see the first record in the table like the last record. Okay, the first record in the table like the last record meets both of two criterias. Value 10 same as the third and fourth records. Okay, and its location is unique. Oh yeah, got it, I got it. What does it mean? So let me take this table, and couldn't we open a skeleton here? Still better. Okay, so we have this schema. Getting some notification. Okay, this is our schema, and again read this. Okay, read this. We have total investment 2015 values more than other policy holders, which means we have to check, like for the total investments, like for the 1 is 10, we only can take the total investment in 2016 of ID1, where it must fulfill two conditions. The very first is the total investment in 2015 must be more than 1. So like here for the user 1, we have total investment 2010, then again the 10 investment we have for the 3 and 4, which means this is more than 1, we can take that. And was the second condition, are not located in the same city, and other policy holders that attribute pairs must be unique, which means, oh my bad. So here we have the 10 value, 10 for your, let me show you here. Let me take this. So for this, our let value is 10, long value is 10, and this is unique. This is not repeating anywhere for any other user. Okay, so as we can see, this record for this, like this let long are repeating for the user 3. So we can simply remove this from our result, and same goes for this as well, because 20 was, as for PID3 it was on the user ID2, so we can remove this as well. Now these both are fulfilling our both the conditions, like this must be more than 1, it should repeat, and these must be unique. So our let long are unique here, let long are unique here. Okay, so how we can solve this question? Just think. Okay, so what we have to return, let me take this select, and we have to round up to 2 decimal places, and we have to sum all the salaries. So we can say the inside we have our 2015 and 2016, my bad. Here you go. And second, we can give it as TIV 2016 from we have insurance perfect, from insurance where. Now where our what? Okay, so we can say where our we can say our TIV 2015 in, we can write a subquery, and we have to select the column that we are just using. After this, where close, select TIV from insurance and we can do the group by our TIV 2015 having count of our star must be greater than 1, and we need one more condition here. So here we will use some different approach. We will use the exists function here, and what we can do, we can select 1 as output from we have our insurance. Perfect. We have insurance. Now we have to where our let long. Okay, so from insurance I can call it as I2. Okay, and here I can call this as I1, and we will take this from our I1, and here we can we can simply use the condition. Okay, we can use where our I1 dot, first we have let is equal to I2 dot let, and I1 dot long is equal to I2 dot long, and after that what you can do, we can just do based on the group by of our let long. Group by, we can call it let long having count of star is equal to 1. So will this work? What do you think? Let me check. Insurance doesn't exist. There is some typo in the insurance. Let me fix. It's accepted. Let me try to submit, then I will explain you like how this is working. I believe this is accepted. So what we have done, we need this column. Okay, the very first condition was your TIV value must be greater than 1, like this value must be used by some other placeholders. Okay, and the second one was your long and let and non must be unique. Okay, so we here we are just validating based on exists. Okay, so we use select one from our insurance I2, just make alias as I2. We can check if this is equal to this and this is equal to this, and we are just doing group by, and if their count is 1, which means true, and this will return true, and before here we got after this and we got true, and before this and we got true, then we are just summing up the results, and what we get in the output, where's the test result? Yeah, perfect, cool. So this has been submitted. Let me get the green tick here for this question. Yay. Okay, let's solve another question. What is this? Oh, this is tagged as hard. So department top 3 salaries. Okay, so we have employee. Okay, these are the column names: ID, name, salary, department ID. ID is the primary column with unique values to a found key of the department table, blah blah blah. ये तो बहुत बेसिक था यार, बहुत सबसे बेसिक स्कीम है ये देख के एक चीज़ समझ आ जाती है कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं तो यहाँ जॉइन लगाना है, पता नहीं क्यों. ठीक है, ओके, लेट इट बी. सो अ कंपनी एग्जीक्यूटिव्स आर इंटरेस्टेड इन seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's department. Okay, we have department. Company executives are interested in seeing who earns the most money in each of the company's department. A high earners in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top 3 unique salaries for that department. Write a solution to find the employees who has high earners in each of the department. So here we have to return the top 3 earners inside each department. So like department 1. Oh, these all are from 1. And top one is 90. Then 85. Oh, again 85. So IT top 3. Okay, we have to return both. Okay, so for the 2 we have only 2 80 60 and we are getting that. Okay, so how we can solve this question? This seems pretty interesting because जब भी हमने ये पढ़ा है हमें join की याद आई है और simple question होता था बिल्कुल. But this time this is not simple, man. One sec. This must be in SQL Server. Let me quickly run this. Accepted. Let me try to submit. Accepted. Okay, so how we can solve this? So what we have to return here? We need to select department. We can take our department. How department? We need the department name. So the very first what we can do, we can use employee, we can use the join department D. E dot your department ID is equal to D dot ID. Cool. Now we can quickly write our select statement. I need D dot name as department. Then I need E dot name as employee. Then I need E dot salary as salary. Now what we can do? Here we can use one awesome thing. We can use window function called dense rank. What this function will do, this will, let me use comma here. This will assign a rank to your, let me show you first. We can use our overclose partition by D dot department ID and order by S dot salary in your DESC, and let me call this as rank. Let me show you what this piece of code is returning. Partition oh yeah, my bad. So there is a typo in the partition. Oh, department, where is department? Oh no. department ID. This is same. This is my bad. Listing why salary. I have salary. Yes, man, this is E. No. Wrong answer. I know this is wrong answer. Now can you see we have department, employee, salary, and let me take this output here. Cool. Now as you can see, for each department, based on their salary, we have assigned the rank. So as you can see, these these 5 were the employees who were in the IT department, and the maximum salary was earning by first employee 1, then this is the second, this is the again second, and this is the third. So we were getting these 4 in the result set. And this was one more, but we need only top 3. So dense rank basically assigns the rank in a order based on the condition provided by in our partition. Partition is window scope and dense rank is a window function which we are using. You can also use the rank function, but there is one key difference between your dense rank and rank. What if you will use rank here? Then let me show you the difference. Let me comment this out. Let me uncomment this. As you can see, like 1 2 2 3 4 1 2 2 4. No, basically rank skips your the next rank your next incremented value for the rank value, but dense rank does not. So here we missed the 3, but here we have. So why we used rank ranks, I will show you like when we will write the when we will complete our this code. Okay, so we are good with this. Now what we have to do here, we have to just take the top 3, and let me again show you the output. We can simply, what we can do, we can take the यार कौन है इतना शोर कर रहे हैं, please ignore guys, please. We need only top 3. We can just filter based on the rank. Where our rank value is 3, we can take all the employees. So what we can do, simply we can take this out and with not in, it's with ranked salaries as I can take this and I can take this entire. Yep. Now what we can do, we need select what, we need department, we need employee, we need salary. Yeah, that's all. We need only 3 columns from ranked salaries. Just a second, guys. बहुत ज़्यादा शोर कर रहे थे यार. मैंने बोल दिया कि 10 मिनट रुक जाओ, शोर मत करो, समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट इज गोइंग ऑन यार. They don't understand. Again. Okay, so where, what was that? Where our rank value is less than equal to 3. I think yeah, that's all we need. And we can do the order by based on our salary. Yeah. In the DSC. That's all. I don't think so we require anything else for this. Yeah, all the test cases are passed. Let me try to submit. Yeah, great, we have submitted. Guys, you know, this was marked as hard, but we solved. 10th rank. अरे छोटे छोटे फंक्शन है ना, काम आते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसको और भी बहुत तरीक़ों से कर सकते थे हम, बट आई थॉट दिस इज़ द ईजीएस्ट अप्रोच. We can use this. And that's all for this video. If you found this video useful or helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.